Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe, hit the likes, and hit the comments down there at the bottom. Today we've got a 2017, or should I say 18, because it's June of 17, Toyota Corolla. It's got a little over 41, almost 42,000 miles. And today, we're taking off the front bumper. As you'll see, there's a little bit of damage here. Customer's not happy with it, a little curb damage. So we're gonna rip this bumper off and fix it all up for them. So first step, of course, I'm gonna hit the corners and the bottom underneath. These ones aren't too bad. Got a plastic clip here up top, one here in the center, and it's probably a 10 mil right here in the corner. Yes, it is. So let me get this little piece out. You'll see it's a very tiny little plastic clip. See? And then give this a turn. It's always easier this way. Sorry guys, need my handy dandy clip tool. That'll be it for the corner. I think there might be another screw in there. I'll double check that. Like I said, there should be some 10 mil, so let me get the other corner and we'll get down to the bottom part. Alright, I've got both corners undone. As you can see, I just pulled this one out a little bit, just looking for corner screws. At the very bottom should be a couple of 10 mils right here at the corner. There's one, and it goes all the way across. You'll say it goes all the way. You'll see them all the way across. They're all 10 millimeter socket. So let me get those out and I'll show you the next step. Alright, got all the screws out of the bottom there. Bucket full of 10 millimeters. Goes all the way across. Now, let's get the top half done. You can see there's a clip here, 10 mil here, and another clip. So let's get this 10 mil. Let's see. Alright, that's it. Top half is loose. I like to check underneath because this one does have a camera or radar. Oh, okay. Yep, there's a little clip here. Attaches. It holds on the bumper, so when you're pulling yours off, make sure you pull up on this tab and pull towards you, and it'll release that. Well, let me get the corners loose and there you go. You can see that tab that I released right here. And now we unhook that camera. I might take both my hands. Let me unplug that. Alrighty, and that's about it. Could have been a lot faster if I wasn't filming. Alright folks, like I was saying, would have been done faster if I wasn't filming, but this is just a foam absorber. Most cars have them. Like I said, it was only a little bit of damage here. Nice, quick Corolla bumper. These Toyotas, I mean, they amaze me every time. Toyota, Lexus, it's just so easy to work on. I'm surprised no more, more people don't buy them. But that'll be it for today, folks. Bumper's removed, camera's intact, all clips and tabs are intact. I'm gonna go through, do my little inspection, even though it's a little bump towards the bottom. But that's it. So if you've got a Corolla of this year model, very simple, very simple. But all right, guys, time to go. You guys know the rules. Be nice to each other, share the love. Hit up one of these other videos and hit that icon down there. That helps me out. That's my subscriptions. So subscribe. All right, folks, peace out.